You should have prepared your foldable in class, but if you didn't, please fold your paper in half vertically. Then you need to fold it in half horizontally 2 more times, creating 4 equal sections. Unfold it to your vertical fold so the opening is on the bottom. Across the fold at the top, write the word integers. Then take a pair of scissors and cut just the top page so you have 4 flaps. On the first flap, write the word add with a plus sign. On the second flap, write the word subtract with a minus sign. On the next flap, write the word multiply. Now don't use an X, put a dot. And on the last flap, write divide with a division sign. Turn your foldable over to the back so we can add the first notes. If you need to pause your video now so you can write the first notes, please do so. Put your name along the top and a number line along the bottom that ranges from -10 to +10. Make sure you label the negative side negative and the positive side positive. Next, we are going to add 3 definitions. The first one is integers. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. For example, ... -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... The negatives are all to the left because they're less than 0, and the positives are to the right because they're greater than 0. The next word we're going to add is opposite. 2 numbers that have the same absolute value but opposite signs. Any 2 numbers whose sum is 0. Example, -4 and +4. -4 and +4 equals 0 when combined. Absolute value is the last definition. Absolute value is the distance between a number and 0 on a number line. Example, now the absolute value symbol is 2 parallel lines surrounding a number. So I read it as the absolute value of 3, which equals 3, and the absolute value of 0, which equals 0. You have to do what is on the inside of the absolute value symbol, just like with parentheses. In your journal, complete the following examples. Now be careful of this negative sign on the outside of the absolute value. That's a challenge.